All right, who doesn't need more picture frames? I know I always do. I collect autographs. So the fine folks at Eletecpro were nice enough to send me these for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own, so let's open them up. They feel, this is a nice, heavy, sturdy feeling box, I'll tell you right now. I'm feeling quality. Oh, look at this. Right off the bat, we got some hangers in there, and they give you a little bubble level. It's perfect sized for a picture frame. That's awesome. Wow. These are all individually wrapped in styrofoam, and they're all individually wrapped in plastic as well, with corner covers to protect them during travel. Looks like we got a couple of different mats in here. So check it out. You got 3 different options right here. This is before I've even opened it, I can tell you this. So first of all, if we pull all this stuff out of here, it'll accommodate an 8x10 picture. Right here in the front, we've got a mat that's already in place that'll accommodate a 4x6 picture. If I flip it over on the back here, we've got a mat in place that will accommodate a 5x7 picture. That is pretty cool. Let's open this guy up. This is nice. So first of all, look at that, 4 corner pieces. Take those guys off. It speaks of quality to me in my book. It took a lot of care and concern to make sure that this thing arrived safely to you. Here we go. 5x7 mat. Hey, it's me, Randy. Look, I'm in a picture. So on the back of this, it's already got the built-in hook for you. The hanger. It's adjustable. So you can just put your screw in the wall, hang it up, you're good to go. We also have the stand on there. We can set it in. And it's got the hook this way too, so if you want to hang the picture long ways, you can hook it up this way. Very nice wood frame. The paint's nice on it. Very sturdy, very nice. So let's see how this opens up. I love these. It's got the little kind of spring-loaded guys. You just push them off to the side, and they open right up. And this only has 4 on here, which I also like. And inside of here, we have a second mat, the 4x6 mat, and the 5x7 mat. How awesome is that? I'm going to take these mats that come with it, and I'm going to store them inside of this. It's nice packaging that they gave us here. So I will keep them protected and safe if I ever want to use them in the future, if I ever want to change out my 8x10s for a 5x7 or 4x6. Let's put a picture in here of one of my favorite guitarists, Nick Bocott from Grim Reaper. And let's see what happens. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. How easy was that? Super easy. But I've got 4 pictures to hang up. I've got 4 picture frames, and I'm going to hang them on my wall. Another one of the cool features of these frames is they're made from tempered glass, which is stronger than regular glass, and if it happens to shatter on you, it won't break up into small shards. That's a good feature to have on there. And there we are, about 5 minutes later, and I got all 4 of my pictures hung up on the wall. Easy as pie. So if you're looking for a nice, versatile 4-pack of picture frames, check out the Eletecpro 8x10 picture frames. You can use them as 8x10s, 4x6, 5x7 with the mats that they provide for you. Very high quality wood frame material, easy to hang. We got 2 different hangers in the back, or set it on your desk if you want. The Eletecpro 8x10 picture frame set. Check it out.